Hey freedom fighters! Today I'm going to be warning you about 5 items that you should avoid dropshipping on AliExpress. Now some of these items are just begging to get your Stripe account and your PayPal account shut down, while others are just doomed to fail from the start, and as soon as you start pushing traffic and running ads to them, they are going to lose you money and customers. So if you want to know what these 5 items are, then don't even think about going anywhere.
I need you to use your imagination. I need you to use your imagination.
All right, freedom fighters, so we are gonna jump right into this, but in order to make this video just a little bit more interesting, I'm actually gonna pull up the product listings of specific products that you should avoid. And I'm gonna give you guys a couple of seconds to try to decide why you shouldn't dropship this product. So let's get started. So here is your first product. It's this little Yoda doll. You can see here it has over 1,400 orders. And I'm just gonna give you a couple of seconds to check out the listing and try to figure out why you shouldn't dropship this product. All right, freedom fighters, time is up. And this first product should have been a very easy one. So you shouldn't sell these little Yoda figurines because they actually contain a trademark from Star Wars, and you always want to stay away from big franchises or brands because it puts you at risk of being sued. Products like this sell extremely well because they have such a large, passionate audience. People absolutely love Star Wars, they love Yoda, and you probably will make some short-term money, but it's not worth it in the end because you're going to end up dealing with problems. Your store could get shut down, you're gonna have a really hard time advertising it, and then the biggest issue is that a lot of times these products get pulled from AliExpress because they are extremely illegal. And so if you have orders that are pending and that listing gets pulled, then you are just out of luck. So it's definitely something that you should stay away from, even though it is tempting because again, these products usually do sell really well. I wouldn't recommend it, especially for a beginner, because you have the risk of getting sued and all of those other issues. So it's better to spend your time finding a product that isn't trademarked under a big franchise or brand that sells just as well as products like this. So let's get to product number 2. So this is the second product. Why do you think that you should stay away from it? So what do you think is wrong with this long stainless steel women's necklace? While yes, it has a lot of orders and potential for sales, it also doesn't have a lot of customer reviews. And as a new seller, you absolutely need to be looking for products that have a lot of sales as well as have a lot of customer reviews. There's a couple of things that could go wrong if you took a chance on this product. One of the first things that I do before I start dropshipping any product is I go through all of the reviews under that specific product and I look at all the images that customers have provided. I make sure that the product is quality and that it has good reviews, that they're not sending out broken necklaces, that it actually looks like the image, and that the manufacturer gets it to the customer in the right amount of time. So when you are dropshipping, make sure that the products you choose have not only a lot of orders, but have a lot of reviews. So the third product that we are going to look at is this Boho Seashell Choker Women's Necklace with over 2,000 orders. So what do you think is wrong with this necklace? All right, your time is up. Let's see if you got it right. So the reason why you should stay away from this high volume selling product is because they do not offer e-package shipping. So as a newbie, you really need to make sure that you're sticking to shipping options between 2 and 3 weeks to the United States, because otherwise you're gonna be blown up with emails and you're gonna have to deal with a lot of customer service of people asking where their product is. I've talked about this a lot on my channel before, so we're not gonna go super in depth on it, but as a beginner, you really need to stick to products that offer e-package shipping. The fourth product we're gonna be talking about is this black solid baseball cap. Why do you think that you should stay away from selling this product? So the reason why you should stay away from this plain black hat is simply because it is extremely boring and it's something that you can get from just about anywhere. So why would you buy this product with a markup from a dropshipping store when you can go down to Walmart, you can go onto Amazon, you can go just about anywhere and find one for the exact same price? And in order to really get people to feel something about a specific product, it has to be unique, it has to be interesting, and it has to be something that they feel that they can't go down to Walmart and pick one up. So stay away from simple products, especially because they're gonna be really hard to target when you're running advertising. How do you know if someone likes a black hat? What are you going to target? There's nothing niche specific or interesting about that product. So make sure you're choosing products like this or like this, so you know that people are gonna feel like they can't find it anywhere else. And the last and final product that we're gonna be talking about today is this one-piece air pump wine bottle opener. Why do you think that you should stay away from selling this product? So that's our final product. Let's figure out if you got it right. So the reason why you should stay away from this product is because it has terrible images. And when you're dropshipping, your images are basically what sells your product. It doesn't showcase what this product does, and this product isn't interesting. It's not something that you're going to drop everything, pull out your credit card, and buy. So unless you are willing to buy that item and have images done that really showcase the item and create a sense of emotional need to have that product, then I would stay away from products that have terrible images. And for most beginners, you're not gonna be taking your own images. Although on this channel, I do talk a lot about how your marketing is really what makes a successful dropshipper. And so I always recommend that you buy the product and make your own images. But if you're new, I totally understand if you're just using AliExpress images to showcase your products. So you really want to make sure that you find products that have great images on AliExpress. They have a lot of orders, they have a lot of reviews, they're unique and create a sense of urgency to buy, and they also offer e-package shipping. So that's it, guys. These are the 5 products that you should stay away from dropshipping as a beginner. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I'm gonna be putting out new videos for you guys every single Tuesday and Thursday. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and I will see you guys on the next one.